We have an update on the grandparents who took their daughter to court for grandparent rights. So I will give you a little reminder of what the story was about, the update, and then she has a question for you at the end. So this listener had to go no contact with her parents because they were the type of parents that didn't respect her as a mom at all. Like the kind of, our house, our rules kind of thing. And there was some things that happened. It hit the last straw and she's like, okay, I'm going no contact. Now, instead of these parents saying, oh my gosh, like what did we do wrong? How can we work on ourselves to improve things, to repair this relationship, regain your trust? Nope, they just made threats. Okay, you go ahead and do this. You take our grandkids away, we'll take you to court for grandparent rights. And they did. We hear about that, where grandparents say, well, we have grandparent rights, we're going to fight you. It's like, okay, but you never actually hear about it. They don't follow through with it. Now, these guys, they actually took their daughter to court, and not only did they take her to court, they pulled in her ex who is the father of these two kids. Now this just kind of shows you that the grandparents didn't have the children's safety and just what's best for the children in mind. It was just what they wanted, and they thought it would be better to have a parent on their side. This father has a protection order against him due to violence, and he is also an SP. So they tried to get him involved in it. As they were working through the court battle, it was suggested by the lawyers to go to family counseling. And this listener is like, okay, I'll go. I've done counseling with them before, tried to. It's done nothing, but I guess. So it would look better if she did it. So she agreed to it. And on the last time they met in court, they came up to her, and instead of answering the question about family counseling, they just simply said, we want to set up a time to meet with the kids over the holidays. So there was no attempt at reconciliation. They made that very clear. They didn't bring up counseling, trying to better themselves or better the situation or understand how to repair what they've done. All they wanted was access to the children. I mean, how heartbreaking. My heart just breaks for this listener. So fast forward, she just got a call from her lawyer